Welcome back, everyone. You know what they say, I don't play second fiddle to no one, but today we're gonna make the second fiddle cocktail. We're gonna start with 1/2 ounce of egg white, 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce of cinnamon syrup. If this fly doesn't go away, I'm going to lose. Shoo! You are not wanted.
They're bad this summer.
They are. 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Plus, we live on a farm. Kind of runs in the territory here. 1 ounce of tequila. And 1 ounce of cognac. I know it seems like a weird combo. I promise it's going to make sense. So we have that egg white in there, so we're going to do a mime shake or a dry shake, whichever you prefer to call it, to emulsify the egg first.
Dangerous shake.
Dangerous shake. Oy. All right. Now we are going to add ice to the smaller shaker tin. This is happening.
There you go.
Like, what's going on? All right, then we're gonna shake the cocktail for another roughly 10 seconds just to get it nice and chilled and diluted. Oh, please hold. Ouch. I'm going to need assistance from the cameraman. I'm so sorry.
Smack it. Punch it. Hey.
And nothing.
Teamwork. All gone.
All gone. All right. My broken self over here. All right, we are going to double strain because this is being served up. Ooh, pretty color. All right, we're gonna let that kind of settle here. For our garnish on this one, we're just gonna do a light dusting of some cinnamon. So I'm just gonna get a small little pinch here and just all across the top.
Oh, so pretty.
So pretty. Et voila. All right.
Still going.
I know, it's still doing its thing.
Still foaming.
It's getting there. It's fine. All right. So there we have the Second Fiddle cocktail. Now I'm going to taste this. I am going to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate the cocktail. 1, I would have 1, move on to the next cocktail. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. So where are we going to be today? Sorry, I got cinnamon stuck in my finger. Oddly enough, I smell a lot of cinnamon.
Whoa.
I know, it's crazy. I smell a little bit of pineapple, but more cinnamon. I don't want to sniff too hard. It's all I need is cinnamon to go up my nose.
Cinnamon high.
Oh, Lord. It's much smoother and easier to drink than I was expecting. I don't know what I was honestly expecting between the tequila and the cognac. I was like, these two are going to fight with each other. They're going to just taste funky. This is delicious. You get the refreshingness of the pineapple, but you get that cinnamon flavor from the syrup. It's light and it's bright from the lime juice. This is super. To be honest, if I just drank this cocktail without knowing anything, I could not tell you that there's tequila in it, and I could not tell you that there's cognac in it. I don't taste either of them, which again makes this an extremely dangerous cocktail. For me, this one's going to be a 5 out of 5. It is absolutely delicious. It's extremely easy to drink. I highly recommend this guy. And look, now my foam is where it needs to be.
Beautiful.
How pretty. Of course, the ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build this cocktail right at home. Let me know what your thoughts are and where your rating is. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and then I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.